Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. And today we are going to discussing about static keyword in C Sharp.net. It's a keyword and we can able to access and we can able to use this static keyword in fields, methods, constructor, class, properties, operations, and event place we can able to use. This is a main advantage like a memory efficient means without creating any object of that class we can able to access the fields, a method, constructor, classes, properties we can able to access without creating object. Why means every time if we are using the object creation of particular class we need to this object, what will happen every time it will create a new instant of that object, means it will allocate some memory. This will consumes the memory, and when you use the static keyword without creating an object we can able to access that particular field, a method, a constructor, class or property, which is the one we can able to access. Let's see now. See, now I'm going to create one static one. Static string is a one, and name I'm going to provide, and here I'm going to use Lokesh. This one without creating an object I'm going to access. Now I'm going to, because I need to store that value, right? That purpose st name keyword dot a name, just I used. And if I'm going to print this one I can able to print. Just see now. See, if I run this one it will print that name, which is the name I allocated. That name it will provide it without creating an object of that class. Using static keyword we can able to access. One minute. See, now it is created and it is given instead of Lokesh, right? The same way we can able to apply a static method also. Now I'm going to change this one, and just I'm going to give normal string value, and I'm going to create one constructor for this. And here I'm going to provide string value name, and this dot name equal to name. And here I'm going to use one more variable, string static string password. And here I'm going to use one method public, or else I will assign some value here. We can do anything anyways. A B C D, and I'm going to use this one. Void display console dot write line. Here name plus password. See, now I provided this one, right? For the static value I'm going to access this one, this method. Okay, now non-static methods also presented, right? I need to create object non-static method, that one, and name is Lokesh, and obj dot display is the name, and I used this one, and I'm going to print, and here is I passed here the value password, right? Default it will provide that two values it will come, right? Now I'm going to use the same one but a different way. I'm going to a runtime, I'm going to change public void change, and here I'm going to password, I'm going to change the static value cdefg. This one I changed, and now again I will run. Now the password it will display a different one. Static, and before creation of this one, change is the method. Just I use a change. That password name it will change because that method we need to access, right? Yes. Now see, Lokesh, and it is given a new password, right? This way we can able to access static methods also. We can able to initiate some value and we can able to changes. And static class also we can able to access. We can able to provide like public static. This is now is static class. It is asking non-static methods are presented. We can able to prefix that one. Cannot declare instant members in a static class. That's why it is asking instant values. And we can able to declare static keyword. Then it will goes. And again here we can able to remove this one. We can able to access that class. This way in non-static members are presented just a static. This way we can able to access, and also we can able to do see non-static members, right? Constructor also we can able to static, and I'm going to do constructor public static, and this is the constructor, and this way we can able to create a static. Access modifiers are not prefixed. Static keyword. This way we can able to access, and we can able to change again here password. Again we can able to change. We can able to use password value or name, anything you can able to provide. Name equal to something abcd, like this we can able to save. And here we don't want these things, and we can able to dot display. Without creating object we can able to access these two methods, and if I'm going to run this one we can able to see, and instant object is presented, right? It's already changed, that's why it is not able to change the value, but otherwise it will change. Okay, sorry, I didn't call. This way we can able to achieve the static keyword. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.